What happens when one purchase one car and get profit? Then he want to purchase a next one very fast, and some get succeed in this, and soon they saw that profit is coming or surplus is more in the second, then they soon purchase the next and then next and then next. But they are not aware about the losses or the problems, repairs relating to drivers, um, the legal aspects. But when first loss will come, then he will be shocked. If someone purchase the car and get the losses first and get problems like driver are not coming, not giving properly, or legal aspects, etc. So he will be aware, or he may purchase or may not purchase the next car soon. But here what he understood, that what are the aspects of that investment, that kind of work. But in the first case, he will be in shock, and he may back to back get failure in that business, and the situation can be out of control. And with the profit, it can be like profit may be double and double and double, but losses can be double and double and double. So what should we understand before doing such kind of investment? We should properly understand the positive and negative and problems of that business. It's okay to do any type of business, doubling the assets or liabilities, okay, but you have to understand the appreciation in the asset and depreciation in the assets, and risk factors, legal aspects, and the problem of human. You have to aware about the nature of that person, and many aspects. And we should be slow, I think. At the slow speed we could recover, but at the fast speed the recovery may be very less. So good luck for your business, for doubling your money. I heard this doubling word from the negative aspect, but when I am growing and watching many people doing this kind of thing, and I listen from the students that they want to do like this. There are many people who want to purchase one asset, a car or a tractor or truck, and want to double it. So maybe I have not done any business like kind of this, but I have seen many people. Some are doing good, but some are not. Some have done very big mistake in their, they were doing well in their everything, but because of this actions they went into legal things, and their life has become hell now. But some are doing nice.